Hello everyone. Here's an excerpt from my new book, Laughter Yoga for Joy. I like the energy that Joe brings to laughter yoga. I like his embodied movement-based approach and the way this helps people experience joy in their laughter yoga, said Dr. Madan, Kataria, the founder of the global laughter yoga movement. I invite you to join me on a journey into laughter yoga for joy. I invite you to deepen your experience of this process as you journey into joy. Fortunately, there is no wrong way of doing it. Your own way is the right way, and you will progress at the right speed because it is not a race. This process is best done gently and with your full awareness. Like a flower unfurling, you will develop in your own unique and perfect way. You will probably find that as you focus on your awareness, it expands. If so, you will find there is always more to be aware of. Therefore, you find that with increased awareness, even simple exercises and practices become more engaging and more profound. They become more connecting and have greater impact. This happens because as you practice being aware, you begin to realize that you can be aware of your own awareness. All stillness practices help. Zazen, or washing the breath, is a classic stillness practice and helps us be grounded and aware of our awareness. This is a major inner development because once you become aware of your own awareness, your experience of time changes beyond description. Not only do you become aware of present moment awareness, or the now, but you begin to experience its vastness and its potential. Your now can be a bigger and more joyful experience than ever before. This process leads us to the heart of laughter yoga for joy. Do you remember the saying, what we focus on expands? Not only is joy in the now, but when we focus on the joy in the now, it expands. So the process in laughter yoga for joy is to connect with and expand your joy in the now. This takes practice, but it is an expansive and connecting experience with infinite potential. Shall we begin? I hope you have enjoyed that excerpt, and I hope you enjoy the book, and I look forward to hearing any comments that you have to make about it. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.